friends. Today I will be giving a small demo on how to create a Node template, how to install packages in Node, and how to serve project locally. So first of all, for these three topics to be discussed, we need to understand what we are going to do. As you can see, I have already created two folders in my C drive, that is Angular and one is Node. In Angular, I have cloned all my Angular projects, and in Node folder I have cloned all my Node projects. So for this demo we need a new folder. Let us give the name as demo node 1, for example. So we have created one folder called demo node 1 in the Node folder. Then we will open our Visual Code, where we will open a new window and then open the folder called demo node 1. So basically we have done, we have a new project of Node called demo node 1, and as you can see, after clicking demo node 1, it contains nothing, it's blank. Now our first step is to install some packages, and for that we need to open the terminal, go to new terminal, and our first package for installation will be a serverless package. For that we have to give a command npm space I space -g space serverless, and here server is -g represents globally. So we are installing the package serverless globally, and after that we have to press enter. And as we can see, it will take a little bit of time because of the net speed, and further we can go to our Node project and see that the demo node 1 contains no data, in fact no file, sorry for that, in fact no file, no package, nothing. Our serverless is installing. Now a small note to everyone that creating two different folders will allow us to easily differentiate between Angular and Node projects, because cloning is mainly important. When we are cloning a project from GitHub, be very careful that you are cloning a Node project into a Node folder and Angular project into an Angular folder, because it will help you to understand better. Otherwise it will create a complexity. Okay, so let us see our progression. So very good, we have installed serverless framework, has been successfully installed, as you can see here in the yellow box. Now we have to create a template for this node. To create a template for this node, we have to give another command, which is sls create sls create template space aws node js name, and in the name we have to give our project name, that is demo node demo-node 1. So the command looks like this. It's sls space create template space aws node.js space name, and in the name we are giving demo node dash node 1, the name of the project, and after that we will press the enter and let us see what happens.